Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB is running dead slow and keeps freezing, it might be a sign that your RAM is not performing as it should. This issue can occur when the memory is faulty or insufficient for your usage. If not addressed, it could lead to more severe problems, making your device nearly unusable. To resolve this, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and your new RAM sticks. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Then, flip your Lenovo Yoga over to access the bottom cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time here to avoid damaging the clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the RAM slots. The faulty RAM will typically be seated in one of these slots. Gently press down on the metal clips on either side of the RAM stick to release it. If you feel any resistance, do not force it. Instead, ensure the clips are fully disengaged. With the old RAM removed, it's time to install the new sticks. Align the notches on the RAM with the grooves in the slot and firmly press down until the clips snap back into place, securing the RAM. Make sure they are seated properly to avoid any future issues. Before reassembling your device, double-check for any loose cables or components that might have shifted during the process. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are secure, and use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws. Once everything is back in place, power on your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB and check if the performance has improved. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure that you regularly monitor your device's memory usage and consider upgrading your RAM if you frequently run memory-intensive applications. Also, keeping your system updated can help avoid compatibility issues that lead to slow performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.